West Sumatra is a province in Indonesia famous for its wealth of natural beauty, culture, and art, as well as its world-renowned culinary delights. West Sumatra is located on the western coast of Sumatra Island with an area of 42,012.89 square kilometers. It is home to 5.5 million people, with 67.98% of them in the productive age. Vision of West Sumatra is to build a civilized, advanced and sustainable society in West Sumatra by 2024. It offers tremendous investment opportunities. It is supported by adequate infrastructure, international airport and seaport, and a good road network. In 2021, its economy achieves modest growth, with controllable inflation rate. Investment priorities sectors in West Sumatra: new renewable energy, such as geothermal power plant and hydropower plant. In 2016, tourism sector: West Sumatra has been recognized by the world as world's best halal destination, world's best halal tour operator, and world's best halal culinary destination. West Sumatra offers various investment projects in this sector: the construction of hotel and food court in Kandy area, and the construction of amusement park the White King Fantasy and Salunto Regency. The development of Padang Beach area in Padang City. The construction of resort in Mandai Special Economic Zone in Pasisir Selatan Regency. The development of tourism area in Tangga Island in Pariaman City. The development of tourism area in Ayamani Beach, Padang City. The development of geotourism area in Mount Talong, Solok Regency. Industrial sector: the construction of fish feed factory in Pasaman Regency. The construction of fish cannery factory in Pasaman Barat Regency. The construction of tire factory in Padang Pariaman Regency. The construction of patchouli oil distillery in Pasaman Barat Regency. The development of industry of natural dyestuff from Gambir in Pasisir Selatan Regency. Fishery sector: industrial park which contains refineries, petrochemical, oleochemical and supporting facilities. The government of West Sumatra is here to welcome and facilitate future investors to do business in West Sumatra.